The mosques of Allah are only to be maintained by those who believe in Allah and the Last Day and establish prayer and give zakah, and do not fear except Allah, for it is expected that those will be of the rightly guided. Have you made the providing of water for the pilgrim and the maintenance of Al-Masjid Al-Haram equal to the deeds of one who believes in Allah and the Last Day and strives in the cause of Allah? They are not equal in the sight of Allah, and Allah does not guide the wrongdoing people. The ones who have believed, emigrated, and striven in the cause of Allah, with their wealth and their lives, are greater in rank in the sight of Allah. And it is those who are the attainers of success. Their Lord gives them good tidings of mercy from Him, and approval, and of gardens from them wherein is enduring pleasure. They will be abiding therein forever. Indeed, Allah has with Him a great reward.